Alright, calculating the perimeter of a rectangle. So we all know that a rectangle has a length and a width. The width is the shorter side of the rectangle, length is the longer side, right? So to calculate perimeter, what perimeter is? Perimeter is known as the distance around the shape. So it's everything around the entire shape. Alright. So the formula for calculating the perimeter of a rectangle, we know perimeter is equal to length plus width plus length plus width, or it could be perimeter is equal to 2 lengths plus 2 widths, or it could be length plus width multiplied by 2. So the most common one and the easiest one you can use is add up the length, one width, and multiply by 2. So from the example, let's say we have the length is 12 centimeters and the width is 5 centimeters. Applying the last formula, perimeter is equal to length plus width multiplied by 2, and we know what is in brackets, we do that first. So therefore we say 12 cm plus 5 cm multiplied by 2, and 12 plus 5 is 17 centimeters multiplied by 2, and 17 multiplied by 2 is equal to 34 centimeters. Therefore the perimeter of this rectangle, whose length is 12 centimeters and the width is 5 centimeters, will be 34 centimeters. Given the perimeter, when you want to calculate the length of the rectangle, when given its perimeter and its width, the formula you can use is length is equal to half perimeter take away its width. So using the example, we know the perimeter of this rectangle, going back to the ones before, we know the perimeter is equal to 34 centimeters and the width is equal to 5 centimeters. So applying the formula here now, we know is half, so the length is equal to half the perimeter, so half of the perimeter is 34 centimeters. Take away the width, we know the width is 5 centimeters, so half of 34 is 17 centimeters. Take away 5 centimeters and that will give us 12 centimeters. So we know that the length is equal to 12 centimeters. Our next scenario is calculating the width when given the perimeter and length. So the formula that we'll use to calculate the width is equal to half perimeter take away the length this time because we know the length. So our shape here, we have the perimeter is equal to 34 centimeters, and we know the length is 12 centimeters. We want to calculate what the width is. Applying the formula, we know they said it's half, so the width is equal to half of the perimeter. The perimeter is 34 centimeters. Take away the length, we know the length is 12 centimeters. So half of 34 is equal to 17 centimeters. 17 centimeters take away 12 centimeters, and that will equal to 5 centimeters. So therefore the width is equal to 5 centimeters.